Mummy, ready?
2 minutes.
So that's mom for the first time on Food Spa. Hello, welcome to Food Spa.
Hello.
So we are headed towards a lunch. She wanted to have Chinese, so we're going to be having a Chinese lunch, and I'm going to show you everything. Let's hop into the car first, and let's continue this vlog. So mummy, কেমন লাগছে এতদিন পরে ইন্ডিয়া ফেরত এসে?
হ্যাঁ, আমি তো লাস্ট ইয়ার থেকে আসার জন্য ছটফট করছিলাম। তোদের সঙ্গে কতদিন পর দেখা হলো, খুবই এক্সাইটেড ছিলাম আসার আগে থেকেই। অবভিয়াসলি অনেক ভালো লাগছে, এতদিন ধরে ওয়েট করলাম, এতদিন পর দেখা হলো। ফার্স্ট টাইম ব্লগেও আসছি, তোদের এটাও একটা ভালো রকম একটা এক্সাইটমেন্ট আছে।
এতদিন ধরে দেখছো অন স্ক্রিন ওভার দেয়ার এন্ড ওভার হিয়ার।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, খুবই ভালো লাগছে। এমনিতেও তোর ভিডিওগুলো তো সবসময় দেখতে থাকি, প্রত্যেকের কাজই খুব ভালো হচ্ছে, খুব সুন্দর হচ্ছে। আই এনজয় লট।
So initially we had planned on going to a pizza place because mom loves pizzas a lot, but suddenly in the morning she had a Chinese food craving. So we changed the destination and we are sticking to Rajarhat only, but we're going to a new place today. It has a popular outlet in South Kolkata, but it has a new outlet now in North Kolkata, so we're going to be visiting that place. We're going to be trying out some Chinese. Ajke jehetu cricket match ache at night, so we're not going for a movie. After the lunch, we might go a little bit of window shopping because we need to get some furnitures for the house as well, like a shoe rack most importantly. Ota dekhate parbo kina I'm not very sure about, but definitely lunch you are going to get to see what we're going to be having today. We'll start with soup.
Yeah, I prefer Thai soup.
Thai soup.
Yeah.
Now it's time for the announcements with regards to the supporters. Recently we started off with the supporters badge on Food Spa vlog. So whoever is subscribing, signing up with a monthly payment of 300 to 400 rupees, there are a list of host of privileges which is going to be up for y'all, and it's going to be a lot of gift hampers, a lot of exclusive offers, and now these offers are going to be over and above whatever you receive already on apps like Zomato Pro or Gourmet Passport. So don't think ki eta tumra jokhon korcho it's already available in other platforms. It's not, because this is going to be over and above everything. So say for instance you're getting a 30% discount at a restaurant already, you're going to get another extra benefit apart from that, like a cashback or something. Apart from that, there's also going to be places which are exclusive, places which are not running any offers and discounts on any other platform. So you're going to be getting offers from there too. Apart from this, Food Spa merchandise, gift hampers, food hampers, etc. Aside from that, if you are continuing to be a supporter on Food Spa vlog over a course of time, you can be eligible to come and join me at a future vlog as well. আপাতত এটাই রাখলাম. It's only exclusive to Facebook. So anyone who wants to be a part of any of this, you need to go to Food Spa vlog and support there, or else any video which goes up on Facebook is going to be having a supporter button from now onwards. You just need to click on that, sign up, and you're going to be unlocking a host of benefits which I've already mentioned. So if you feel it's going to be worth it, go ahead. Let me warn you, these are monthly subscriptions. So anytime you feel that it's not going to be worth it for you, you can cancel anytime. That's not going to be an issue at all. So yeah, I'm hoping to see a lot of you join as a supporter, as a small gift from Facebook. You're going to be getting a supporter's badge as well next to your name henceforth whenever you're commenting on any of the videos on Food Spa. So I'm hoping to see a lot of you now. Ready for the first sip. So we've ordered a chicken Thai soup. Perfectly seasoned, good amount of everything, a good start. Enjoying the soup?
খুবই ভালো লাগছে। গত কিছুদিন মিষ্টি খেয়ে খেয়ে এত ফেড আপ হয়ে গেছিলাম, এটা একটা রিলিফ পেলাম।
Idea is whenever we receive anything at home, be it from Neo More, be it from any other brand. Last video you saw us getting a Diwali hamper from a chocolatier fair. So everything which we receive is always sweet, 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 sweet. So there's an overdose of sweet. I mean, যখন chocolatier fair থেকে পুরো জিনিসটা এসেছিল, we were all excited about the peri peri makhni which we got. Apart from everything else, not because they were not nice, it's because we get an overdose of sweet always. So it's a welcome change having something. এখানে যখন আমরা মেনু দেখছিলাম, আমরা ডেজার্টসটা দেখে আমরা ভাবছিলাম বাবা গা গলাচ্ছে. We didn't want to touch or go anywhere close to the dessert. Starters এ কি নেওয়া যায়? Fish, prawn,
I think
prawn.
yeah.
So let's go with butter garlic prawns. That's good over here.
Yeah.
It's recommended. Butter garlic prawns, and main course my favorite. We'll go with grilled fish and lemon butter sauce.
Better combination.
I think our drinks are here.
Tesla makes now. Tesla blue level.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Straw তোমার লাগবে নাকি সরিয়ে দেবো?
লাগবে, but it's not sealed, no? I think I would take yours one.
আমারটাও সিল ছিল কিনা কিরকম করে জানলে? ইট ক্যান বি পসিবল জাস্ট উইচ আদার।
It should be sealed, no? এটা ডুবেছে তো এর মধ্যে, তো যা যাওয়ার ওর মধ্যে চলে গেছে।
নাইস। সামের পরে কিন্তু তুমি হেড কমেন্টস পেতে পারো যে তুমি আমাকে এই জিনিসটা বললে বি প্রিপেয়ার্ড ফর ইট।
Oh my God.
খেতে কেমন?
Yummy. আমার খাওয়ার পার্টটা কিন্তু নিবি না। Okay. There should be a knife, no?
It's okay. This is the prawn. We've ordered for my favorite butter garlic prawns.
How's it?
I love this preparation. Normally gravy items se khai eta. This is a starter. So little makha beshi. It's a thicker gravy, but it tastes really good.
There's
The
a
only-
coconut flavor.
That's the only issue.
Yeah.
Amadir soup as well as the starters similar flavor হয়ে গেছে. So main course is going to be different. But amazing quality prawns.
Yeah, yeah.
They took a little while to make this dish, but it's sure worth the wait because they are making everything fresh.
Yummy.
Okay. Grilled fish in lemon butter sauce. This is what the fish looks like. I have no idea why it has that yellow color on top, which is what made me a little skeptic. But let's give this one a try. Fish is good. It tastes
Yeah,
good.
taste is good.
Taste is good.
Yeah.
Doesn't look all that good, but it's fresh and it has mashed potato. So that's my favorite. Salted vegetables, mashed potato, grilled fish, two
Yeah,
fillets.
it's good combination.
Love it.
সমস্ত খাবারই ভালো লাগলো।
Got to know that this restaurant is owned by also the same owner who owns CIT Cafe, which we've already covered. So I think we can put this in a list of heritage Chinese restaurants. So everything was good over here. Service was good, barring maybe one particular person who was not a very hospitable person. Other than him, everyone else is very welcoming. The ambience is very nice. Their playlist is very good. All the food items, the variety, they have a lot of different cuisines. And it's not compromised. All cuisines are really nice. Our restaurant is kept very well. It's cozy. It's got good options. So you can definitely give this one a try if you're coming or if you're staying anywhere near Newtown and Rajarhat. I think it's a pretty decent option which is not explored as much as it should. Alright, so that was our experience. I hope you did enjoy this video. Mami, how was your experience?
Yeah, I enjoyed a lot. অনেকদিন পর বেরোলাম সঙ্গে এলাম এই লাস্ট বোধহয় আমরা মুভি দেখতে গেছিলাম না?
Movie regularly, this is the first time we are vlogging, first time we are out for lunch. So if you did guys enjoy this video, And if you want to see more in coming times, do let us know in the comment section how you found it. It's very different from what I usually do. If you did enjoy it, let us know in the comment section. Until next time, Food Spur wrapping up from Rajarhat with Mom. Cheers. I almost forgot, whoever is watching this video, whoever are supporters on Food Spur vlog, there's something special for you. If you will come to Calcutta Bistro till the 15th of November, you can enjoy a flat 500 rupees cashback from Food Spur's end. All that you need to do is come here, pay your bill, enjoy additional offers which are already here. On top of that, just send a screenshot of your bill to Food Spur, DMing on Instagram, and you're going to get a 500 rupees cashback. So you guys can enjoy. This is the first privilege and benefit which is given out to all supporters of Food Spur.